whatever happened to baby Jesus?
He grew up.
Wait, you're telling me that the baby Jesus from the Christmas story is the same baby Jesus as the adult walk on water Jesus?
Yeah.
Wow! I guess I never really put those two concepts together. Wow! Well, I wonder whatever happened to that guy.
He went to the cross.
That's the same guy?
Yeah.
Baby Jesus is the same Jesus as cross Jesus?
Yeah. I mean, he grew up. There was some time in there. He grew up, he taught people, he lived a perfect life, he died on the cross, he came back to life, you know, and now he lives in our hearts.
That's the same guy? The Jesus that lives in our hearts?
Yeah.
This is really... okay. I guess I just didn't put two and two together. This is... Whoa! What? Wow! Merry Christmas! I guess we should just try to view Christmas instead of one isolated event and more of an ongoing story about our salvation.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Hey. Is this the same?
Yes.
Okay, I just thought I'd check.